How to set up course data. Each core training course is supplied with its own set of data. This data is needed so that you can successfully work through all the course's hands-on exercises. On the main page for each core course is a course assets bar. Click the plus to open it. The icon for the data zip file is shown. This contains all the data and maps or projects that you need for that course. Written instructions on how to download and set up the course data file are contained in the PDF README file, so you can download, save and refer to this document as well as this video if you wish. To download the data zip file, simply click its download button. The zip file will be saved onto your computer. Once the download has finished, use the Open option. This will open a window showing your computer directory structure and the location where the data zip file has been downloaded. The data must be extracted from the zip file. We do not recommend accessing its contents without extracting it first. The contents of the data zip file should be extracted to any root partition, for example C, or D or E or any other on your file system. It is best not to extract the data to a directory shared with others, as they could overwrite your data or your subsequent saved work. It is very important that the contents must be extracted using folder names. This is essential for the exercises to work. Extracting is very easy. Inside each data zip file is a GIS 24/7 folder. Simply click to highlight it, right-click and choose Copy. This will copy the GIS 24/7 folder and its entire subfolder structure and contents. Then simply navigate to the location on your computer or your network where you would like to store your copy of the course data. Remember, this needs to be a root directory. Highlight that location, right-click and simply choose Paste. The GIS 24/7 directory, its subfolders and entire contents will be extracted from the zip file and pasted. Once the data has been written to this location, you can explore its structure, but do not move anything. The top directory or folder is named GIS 24/7, so it's easy for you to know that this is the folder that contains all the data you need for GIS 24/7 courses. Underneath this folder will be a folder named, in shorthand, the course that you have downloaded the data for. In this example, it is the Starting with QGIS version 3 course. You should be able to determine from the folder's shorthand name the full name of the course. Underneath the course name folder for any course will be 3 subfolders. For this QGIS course, the 3 subfolders are My Folder, Projects and Training Data. The Training Data folder will hold various other subfolders and in them various data files. The Projects folder will contain the various project files. This example shows project files for the QGIS course. The My folder is the folder or directory that you will be told to use in the exercises for storing the projects and data that you create. You must not alter the structure of the unzipped data in any way or rename any of the files. Next, we will look at an example of downloading data for a different course. Here is the course page for the Mastering ArcGIS 10.6 course. Opening the course assets bar shows the data zip file for this course. The procedure of downloading the data is the same. Simply click the zip file to download it. Once downloaded, use the Open option. This will open a window showing your computer directory structure and the location where the data zip file has been downloaded. Again, inside this data zip file is a GIS 24/7 folder. Simply click to highlight it, right-click and choose Copy. This copies the folder and its entire subfolder structure and contents. Navigate to the location where you previously saved the data for the other GIS 24/7 course. Right-click on the root directory and choose Paste. You will be asked if you wish to merge the GIS 24/7 folders. Answering yes is OK. None of the folders except the top GIS 24/7 folder are named the same. Therefore, nothing will get overwritten. Once the data has been extracted, you can review it and its structure. Under the GIS 24/7 folder, you now have a named folder for the Mastering ArcGIS course. Under this folder are 3 subfolders: Maps, My Directory and Training Data. The Training Data folder holds all the data for this course. The Maps folder holds the map documents. The My Directory folder is the folder that you will be told to use in the exercises for storing the maps and data that you create. The process of downloading the data and unzipping it for all the other core courses is the same. Basically, you need to copy the GIS 24/7 folder and paste it over the GIS 24/7 folder that you have created on your computer or network. Each core course will have its own uniquely named folder under it, with the name referencing the course, the software and version. Under each of those folders will be the various folders and data you need to follow the course exercises for that specific course. Once you have downloaded and unzipped the data for a core course, you are now ready to undertake the hands-on exercises for that course. Each exercise contains full instructions on what to do and how to do it. Now you're all ready to go. Good luck!